To make an appointment for a written test in 2025, follow these steps. First, identify the organization or institution that will be administering the test and visit their official website to gather information about the testing process and schedule. Look for a section on registration or scheduling and read the instructions carefully. Next, check the eligibility criteria to ensure you are qualified to take the test and review the required documents and materials needed for the appointment. Create an account or log in to the testing organization's website if you already have one, and fill out the registration form with your personal and contact information. Choose your preferred test date and time from the available options and select a test center location that is convenient for you. You will then need to upload any required documents, such as identification or proof of eligibility, and pay the test fee if applicable. After completing the registration process, you will receive a confirmation email with details about your appointment, including the test date, time, and location. Review this information carefully and make sure to arrive at the test center with the required materials and identification. It is also a good idea to prepare for the test by reviewing the test format and content, and practicing with sample questions. On the day of the test, plan to arrive early and be prepared to present your identification and any other required documents. By following these steps, you can make a successful appointment for a written test in 2025.